You lift your brow, I hide a grin. Our little wars will never win. Your words like fire, my calm reply. A storm that laughs across the sky. Your glance, a spell I can't resist. A battle wrapped inside a twist. You call me child, I act annoyed, but in your gaze I'm half destroyed. Under your spell I lose my guard. Your voice too soft yet hits too hard. We never say the things we mean, just hide them where the stars have been. If this is fate or something new, then let the world spin, just us two. You mock my plans, I mock your pride, but still you're always by my side. The silence hums between our laugh, a bond unspoken deep in half. A glance, a grin, and time stands still. A charm I fight but never will. Under your spell the night stands still. Each glance a truth we can't conceal. We fight, we heal, we never part. Two stubborn souls, one fragile heart. No need for vows, no need for lies. Your smirk's enough to paralyze. If love's a curse, then let it be, for I'm already yours, you see. You lift your brow, I hide a grin. Our little wars will never win. Your words like fire, my calm reply. A storm that laughs across the sky. Your glance,